Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Call of Duty Warzone on PC. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up an internet browser and type in the word Blizzard. Okay, so we're looking for this first result up here called Blizzard Entertainment, so just click on that. Okay, so then the next thing you're going to want to do is actually download battle.net. So just select the button in the top right hand corner, and this is going to start downloading on your PC. Okay, so then you'll start to see the exe files start to actually process the download. So if you just select the download exe file there to start it, and then just select the language that you want to set for this file. And then it'll just take a few seconds to actually download. Okay, and then here we can see it's asking just where you want it to be installed. So unless you want to change the actual location of the file, I would say just click continue. Okay, and then it will start the installation. It's pretty quick depending on your connection as well, so that also helps. Okay, so here it's just going to ask for your location. So then you can just select the region that you are based in, and then just click done. Okay, and then you'll be presented with this page here where you can either log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple, or any other account like that, or even a battle.net account. If you don't have one, you can just see at the bottom there, it's got create a free battle.net account. I already have an account set up, so I'm just going to log in now. Okay, then it's going to welcome you to battle.net, and here we are on the home page. If you just select games, and then we're going to want to actually find Call of Duty, and it already appears at the top there. Okay, so we're just going to select that one. Okay, and then it'll take you to this page here where we can then obviously install and play for free on Call of Duty. If you can obviously add a mobile number if you need to. And because the file is so large, if you wanted to save it in a different location, just due to space on your laptop or PC, then just select change folder and change the location as where you would like to install it, wherever there is space, basically. Okay, so then just select that folder, close that down, and then you can just begin the actual install. So click continue, and then it will begin installing on your PC, ready for you to start playing. And that is basically it. That is how to download Call of Duty for free. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.